All right, so today we're going to be modeling a blank problem. Our first step when we're taking a test is identifying what type of problem we're actually facing. So I'm going to read it out loud and then we're going to talk about it. Autumn has 4 times as many gumballs as Josiah. Josiah has 32 gumballs. Josiah will give 3 gumballs to Autumn. How many gumballs will Autumn have? So the big question here is what type of problem this is. And I see a bunch of information thrown at me, so let's identify that real quick. Autumn has 4 times as many as Josiah. So right now we don't know Autumn's total amount, and so this is where I would start making a list. Autumn equals 4 times something, okay? 4 times Josiah's amount to give us, we don't know, okay? So I'll put a J here for Josiah's amount. Let's keep reading again. Josiah has 32 gumballs, so this is a different piece of information. So since we now know how many Josiah has, Autumn has 4 times as many as him, we're going to insert a 32 right here and also say Josiah's amount is 32. Now let's keep reading. Josiah will give 3 gumballs to Autumn. So at the end, our big question is how many gumballs will Autumn have? This is key right here. Our question is based off how many is Autumn going to have after all of this is said and done. But first, we have to figure out how many Autumn has now before Josiah gives her 3 gumballs, okay? So let's go ahead and talk this out. 4 times 32 equals blank. Well, that's easy. We could stack this like the standard algorithm, and I'm going to do that here. 32 times 4, okay? Well, I start in my ones place just like if we were adding. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. So I have 128 so far. So I look over here to my answer choices and I say, okay, I've got some that are close. I should be able to instantly eliminate for sure A. It's kind of too small. D is a little high, especially if we only have 3 to work with, okay? If Josiah's giving her those 3 gumballs, our next step with this number is to add 3, okay? So if I add 3 here, then I have, regroup, 131. And Miss Hatcher made a mistake. This is actually supposed to be a 1, but hopefully that makes you laugh. Our answer choice is going to be C, because we first had to find Autumn's amount, which we figured out by itself was 128. Okay, and then we had to say, okay, if Josiah is giving 3 more gumballs to Autumn's amount, which is this, then it's going to equal 131, which is C, 131.